Route 66, probably the most historic road in the world, stretches from Chicago all the way to California. This season, we went through Oklahoma, and I got to stop at Clanton's, world famous for their chicken fried steak. They make 50,000 portions a year. So once I tasted theirs, I had to make mine. Here's as close as I got to it. First off, the steak. I have 2 slices of sirloin tipped. I think this is a really beefy and intense cut, perfect for what we're going to do. Break it down with the flat side of my mallet. Looks like a nice portion. And then I want to take the sharp little ends of my mallet and go once on each side. That is going to make it super tender, but it also gonna hold all the nooks and crannies of the chicken fried batter that we're gonna put around it. Season with salt and pepper. While that rests, I'm gonna season my flour, a little bit of baking powder, paprika, black pepper, salt, onion powder, and we're gonna whisk this seasoned flour together. I'm gonna add buttermilk to my eggs. All right, so here's the fun part. A light dusting in cornstarch. The cornstarch absorbs a lot more of the moisture from the steak when I'm cooking it. Then I go in to the buttermilk wash and then into the seasoned flour. And I actually want fried pieces of that thicker batter there. Do you see that sort of ragged edging? So it looks like chicken skin? That's what I'm after. And then I put it into the oil. Now, if you ask me, those look chicken fried. And I'm going to dump the oil into this bowl, reserving a few tablespoons at the bottom, along with all the little crusty bits of cooked batter and beef juices and other stuff that are gonna be the foundation for our cream gravy. Then I'm going to add my onion, thyme sprig, a healthy dose of black pepper, which is the predominant flavor in this, a little bit of cayenne, a little bit of nutmeg, and I'm gonna start sauteing this. When my onions start to get glassy, I'm gonna turn this mixture into a seasoned roux by adding my flour. I'm just gonna keep tossing and letting those cook some more. I just wanna make sure that my flour and fat cook together enough, and that way there won't be any clumps. A little bit of salt, and then I'm gonna start to add my whole milk, about a cup at a time, whisking as I go. You see how thick this gets right away? Add our other cup. So I have my homemade mashed potatoes. I'm just gonna do the traditional well. I'm gonna take my chicken fried steak that has been draining, lean that on the side. There are a lot of people a lot smarter than I am, my friend Alton Brown being one of them, who basically says you can't have enough cream gravy with your chicken fried steak. And I happen to agree with him. This dish is perfect just the way it is. An American classic.